Want to pay fewer trading fees on Binance? Here's a quick trick. Use BNB to pay your fees and save up to 25% on every trade. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to enable this in less than 2 minutes and why you should. BNB, or Binance Coin, is Binance's native cryptocurrency. It was originally launched as a utility token to pay trading fees and has since expanded to DeFi, NFTs, and more. But today we're focusing on its original and most valuable use, discounting your trading fees. Normally, Binance charges a small fee for every spot or margin trade. But if you choose to pay those fees using BNB instead of your traded crypto, you instantly get a 25% discount. That adds up fast, especially if you trade regularly. And the best part? You only need to toggle one setting to activate this benefit. Here's how to do it. Log into Binance. Hover over your profile icon, then click Dashboard. Scroll down and find Fee Discount or Using BNB to Pay for Fees. Toggle the switch to On. Done. From now on, BNB will automatically be used for your spot and margin trading fees, as long as you have some in your wallet. A few quick tips. Make sure you always keep a small amount of BNB in your account. This feature applies to spot and margin fees, but not futures or P2P. If your BNB runs out, Binance will use your default crypto again. Now, you're all set to start saving on every trade with BNB. Smash that like button, subscribe for more Binance tips, and comment below if you'd like a video on how to earn more BNB using Binance Earn or staking. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.